I have a Samsung that has problem with the charging, and I believe it's the problem with the charging port, because when I put it up it charges, and when I leave it it doesn't charge. It's because it's got a problem with the charging port. Let me show you how I do this. And is it worth it? Is it worth it to repair this phone? I guess yes, because it is one of the best phones of that time and still works fine. Let's remove all the SIM cards and the memory cards. When the screws are removed, let's pry open these. Be careful with the button side, because it might break the buttons underneath. There is a clip that has to be removed. So what I normally do is I push the tweezer in and pull it out. Comes off. This is the one that has a problem on it. So let me move this. Let's warm it up. Let's warm it up. First remove this. This is quite tricky to remove sometimes. Okay. Once that's removed, use the prying tool to pry open this. Let's remove this as well. Why is this glued so bad? In this phone, what we can do is we can either change this whole thing, but in my case I tried to change this bit, because there has been some incidents when I replaced this whole flex, the antenna wasn't working properly, there was no network on it, and sometimes the microphone would not work. So I tried to just change this bit rather than changing the whole flex. Let me show this under a microscope how this looks like, and if we can see any physical damage on it. See that the pins looks okay, those pins. Let's try to poke them. Seems okay. Now let me see the inside of it. See, it's got all the zonks in there. Let's try to clean this and see if it works or not. and see a screen bit there. That might be the reason why this is not charging properly. And what I can do now is I can clean it up and see if it works. This seems okay to me. This bit is about to break. Let me try cleaning it up and see if it works. So I've done this before removing the charging port flex. Well, just a little bit of a waste of time, but it's alright. Okay, seems a bit cleaner now. Let's try and see if it works. If it doesn't work, I'll replace the charging port itself. This is charging much better than before. Okay, seems like it's working. Now let's put this back and charge it for a while and see if it charges or not properly. If it doesn't charge, then I'll have to go ahead and replace that. Let's put this back in. Okay, let's wait and see if it goes above level 1, above 1%. If it goes above that, then I can see that it's working fine. Let's see if it works or not. Let's see if it's gone up or not. Yeah, it's gone up to 2%, so I think this should be fine. Now let me put this back. This is what I do on the daily basis. I try to be honest with everybody. So this problem, if I don't have to fix it, I don't fix it. If it comes with a broken port, then I'll fix it. And that's it, it's all done. If it comes with a broken port, then I'll make another video of it. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope you tune in to watch some more of these kind of daily fixing videos. Hope to see you again. Thank you very much.